Hey there, sassy people. Welcome to Mature Sass. My name is Linda, and my channel is all about having fun with style and fashion, some nails, skincare, and the occasional vlog of taking you along with me. I do have a few things to do today, and I'm getting ready to leave, but I thought when I get back, let's do something special. Well, it's not special, but I have some stockings. I went through all this stuff and I am finding things that, I never used when I retired. And I used to buy these every year for my kids, and, I would put little goodies and things in them, and we would have our Christmas party. Well, I am going to take, since I don't have my kids anymore, 3 of these. And then remember I told you I've been collecting stuff in my drawer in the guest room. So I've got some things that I'm going to put in 3 different stockings, and I thought let's do like a little Merry Christmas giveaway. Does that sound good? All right. And one of my new subscribers said, "You're going out looking like that? I don't look like that when I go out." Girl, let me tell you, I don't look like this every day. Trust me. But when I go out, I might as well get dressed and go out. But no, this is not like the normal me. Oh, these are Lane Bryant pants, and I'm thinking of going to Lane Bryant today. Got to go to Michael's to pick up my flowers. I don't know. Let's just see where the day takes me. Us. Go on. So I had to run to the post office and grocery store. And then I ran into Bell's Outlet right quick because I needed some more soap and just a couple of things. So they had some really pretty stuff out for Christmas. Pretty jewelry and handbags, gift sets, lots of stuff. But I needed to just run back to the back and really just need some soap. They had lots of jewelry out and gift sets on a table that were set up, but I didn't really need to pick up anything like that. Christmas jewelry there, new handbags and sweaters in, lots of accessories, but here's what I needed to go to. I just needed some soap, so this is a real quick trip in and out. So I have tried Nivea before, and that didn't work out for me because it broke me out. So I'm going to try this hemp body wash. And I think I'm just going to stick with my Dove soap. I hope you can't hear that phone in the background because I'm not going to start recording. That's coconut. I think I've tried that one before and didn't really care for it too much. So I'm going to try this one. The strawberry. Yeah, I think I'll take that one. And then I'm just going to pick up some more Dove. They have 2 packs, so I'm just going to take both of them. They had a lot of creams and lotions, but quite often I break out in a rash, and I've been having reactions anyway lately, especially with my eyes burning so much, so I don't want to chance it. But I was trying to find if they had any more masks. The last time I was in, they didn't have a lot of face masks. They have mostly like for the feet, and what else do they have? like elbows, acne treatment, and all of that. Yeah, they still got basically the same ones. So I don't know why they don't have face masks anymore. Maybe a lot of people are masking now. Lots of gifts had set out on the tables. I got what I needed, and so we're just going to head on out and get back home. If anybody was in need of like sets already put together, they have everything already wrapped for you. These would make great gifts. They're like little sets that are already put together. Aren't those pretty? I didn't check the prices or anything, but like if you need a gift really quick, that would be the way to go. All right, let's get on back to the house. All right, guys, I'm back and rather upset. These are the flowers. Now, you know what? It really is nobody's fault except for mine, because when I'm online, I don't read. I just don't. Don't tell my former students. I just don't read stuff. I should have known, because one of those big white poinsettias that I have would have cost like what 3 of these cost. So I should have known. But anyway, I'm going to make it work. I'm going to fill that, and I'll take a little snapshot and let you see. Now, the only place that I really took you to was Bell's Outlet, because I figured when I was up that way, stop in and get some more soap because I'm getting low. So I won't even open that stuff up to let you see. You saw I got some Dove. I got some hemp seed body wash. I'm gonna try it. You guys know when I go like that, because stuff breaks me out so bad. So anyway, I am back home. It's pretty warm out today. Now for the stockings, I have put things like in 3 little piles. No rhyme or reason why, what's with what. I just tried to kind of divvy it out so it's kind of fair. And we'll go by, since I have a pair of earrings in the first one, I'm going to call that leaf earrings. This one has a set of coasters, so we're going to put coasters to that one. And this has one of those eye method beauty, so we're going to put eyebrows if you're interested in the third one. So I'm going to just quickly run through this, and then you can just put in below the name of which stocking you're interested in winning, and then I'll do a drawing on, let's see, today. I'll leave it open until next Friday. So that would be what? Like the 9th? I think it's December 9th. And I think that'll still give you enough time to get it in the mail as a Christmas gift. So on Friday, December 9th at 5 o'clock p.m., I'm going to pull the winners. All right, so the first one. This is a pair of Kiss real short French tip nails. It's going to have a pack of reusable silicone straws, a 2-pack of soft pumice stone for your feet. I probably should keep that. You can tell that I've had this stuff in the drawers for a long time, because these could be used as masks. So you could, and you still can, you could either use it as a mask, or you can tie it on like a ponytail as a hair scrunchie. And there's a black one, kind of a red bandana, and a gingham one. Then that same one has a set of, remember when I was doing the Dashing Diva? These are, I thought that these were nails, but they're actually for your toes to do a pedicure. And so I never used them. Then I have a Lano Creme Manuka Honey Face Mask. And this cute pair of feather earrings with bling. All right, so if you're interested in winning that stocking, put feathers down in the description. All right, stocking number 2, this is what you're gonna have. I saw these real pretty, it's like a natural wood. This is a set of 4 coasters. So I thought that those were pretty. I started to keep them, but I'm gonna give them. You're also gonna get Kiss press-on nails. Remember when I was so into the Kiss nails? Well, they've just been in that drawer, so, and I haven't used them because I do put on my gel, and that works for me now. So these are a real pretty print. It's like pink with flowers. Then you're going to get a pedicure too from the Dashing Diva. And in that one, it's going to be a hydrating foot mask, so you can kind of do yourself like a little pedicure. Then here are a set of, these were the snow nails. Those were kind of expensive. I never used them, didn't care for them. And then, again, going with when the pandemic first started, this can be a bracelet. You can just wear, it's camo. But what it has on it is this little ring where you pull your door open, or like if you're getting on an elevator, you push the knob so that it's non-contact. So that's, and actually you can even put your keys on it and use it as a key ring. So you'll have a 3-in-1. All right, so that is if you're wanting, we're calling that one coasters. And then the third one is going to be, I had an extra Eye Method Beauty. It's the one that has the stamp on brows. This shade is brown. And this is a Renergy Lift Multi-Action Ultra Sunscreen. Should I keep this? It's from Lancome. I'll put it in since I had it in there. But anyway, it's a sunscreen. This is a contour brush, makeup brush. Lifting eye mask. A set of OPI in red. That'll be pretty for the holidays. Nail polish. And then you remember I had these from Amazon. Those that are, they're nail stickers. You just stick them on and file the tips. So let's name the last one eyebrows. All right, so you can either get leaves. No, those were feathers. They're actually leaves, I think. They look like yeah, they're feathers. Sorry. Okay, so I'll put it on the screen too. Feathers. That's stocking 1. Stocking 2. Coasters. Or stocking 3. Eyebrows. So let me know if you're interested in winning any of those. It's going to be open until Friday, December 9th, 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I will draw 3 people. Thank you so much for always coming by and hanging out with me. I do appreciate you. And if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you go. And everybody, please give the video a thumbs up. Guys, stay safe and healthy out there, and definitely stay sassy. I'll see you soon.